What is going on, investors? My name's Emmanuel. I'm sorry I'm smiling. It seems like whenever there is breaking news regarding Workhorse, I'm always on a contract. But regardless of where I am or what I'm doing, everything goes on pause. And you can rest assured that I'll be keeping you 100% up to date with all of the latest news surrounding our favorite stocks on this channel. So with that said, I do have some incredibly exciting breaking news surrounding Workhorse once again. And it's that they secured a $200 million in financing from institutional lenders. Now, in this video, I'll be taking you through the details of this financing agreement and share my initial reactions and thoughts towards this incredible news, as well as what this potentially could mean for our bid for the USPS contract. And lastly, I'll update you with what Cathie Woods and ARK Invest have also been doing regarding their Workhorse position, because they have been busy. But right before we jump into it, please smash the like button if you do appreciate early news. It will help this video get out to more Workhorse investors and it will help the channel grow. And also, if you are new to the channel, then hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my latest stock analysis content, as well as any major stock related news such as this one. With that said, stay locked in and let's dive into the video. Now, the exciting news was first announced on Workhorse's Twitter page, and that's also a quick plug. So follow me on Instagram if you don't already. The links are in the description below. But here are some of the key highlights from that report. It says Workhorse Group says it has entered into a note purchase agreement under which it will sell $200 million aggregate principals of its 4% senior secured convertible notes due 2024 to two institutional lenders. The proceeds of the offerings before expenses are expected to be approximately $194.5 million, and it will be used to increase and accelerate production volume, advance new products to the market, replace previous higher cost financing, and support current working capital and other general corporate purposes. So I'm going to pause it right here for a second and highlight some of the key points from this first part of the article. So Workhorse will be raising further capital by the means of selling senior secured convertible notes to two institutional lenders. Now, the official definition of a senior secured convertible note, according to Investopedia, is that it's a debt security that contains an option making the note convertible into a predefined amount of the issuer's shares. So in this instance, the predefined amount is to the value of $194.5 million. Now, what does Workhorse plan to do with this additional funding? Well, they've made it pretty clear that one, they want to increase and accelerate the production volume. Now, why would they want to increase and accelerate production volume? Comment in the section below what you think that might be relating to. And also, they have mentioned that they will use the funding to 2, advance new products to market, and 3, replace previous higher cost financing, which we already know that Hitachi America Corp is also helping out with this, and 4, to support current working capital, and lastly, other general corporate purposes. So investors, this is becoming a no-brainer now. Greater access to capital will automatically enable Workhorse to improve and increase manufacturing volume. And this is all in order for us to fulfill the requirements of the USPS contract. Facts. I mean, you don't have to be Sherlock Holmes to be able to figure this thing out. We are winning this contract and Wall Street knows it. I'm getting so gassed. Right, before you go ahead dancing off in celebration, there is still more, okay? There's still more to this article. So the article continues to say, in addition, Workhorse has entered into an exchange agreement with the holder of its existing 4.5% convertible notes to exchange the full $70 million outstanding principal amount of these notes for shares of the company's common stock. So this essentially means that Workhorse will have over $270 million in cash available after the closing and the release of these proceeds. Incredible. I mean, this is simply incredible. I mean, what more is there that needs to be said? This deal will significantly beef up our balance sheet, which up until this point, admittedly, the balance sheet for Workhorse has been shocking. Like, let's just call it what it is. We can't deny the fact our balance sheet has been shocking. I mean, prior to this, our cash position was sitting at $26 million. And that was the only leg that short sellers and, you know, and the bears, that's all they had to stand on, was the fact that Workhorse didn't have the cash, didn't have the facilities or the manpower to fulfill the USPS contract, even if we won it. Well, short sellers and bears, I bet you didn't see that coming, did ya? I'm so gassed. This once again is exciting news. I'm so excited. You can probably tell from my grin, I'm smiling. And I don't know about you, but to be honest, we have to take our hats off to the management of this company. I mean, they've proved time and time again that they are competent in being able to secure multi-million-dollar deals, as well as secure partnerships with the likes of Hitachi, which is one of the largest conglomerates in the world. I mean, it really truly is impressive. And as much as we're all getting excited because we're all making money from the capital appreciation of our shares, we do owe it to the excellent and efficient management of this company. They really have turned this company around. So a massive shout out to Dwayne Hughes. We love you, baby. And lastly, before I head back to my contract, because I'm probably going to get in trouble, ARK Invest have loaded up on more Workhorse shares last week, and it seems like they can't get enough of this company. I mean, as of the time of recording this, I actually checked before I started recording, they now have a total of 762 million shares of Workhorse. And their Workhorse position takes up 2.83% in the ARKQ fund. So that's crazy. They're buying, I'm buying. It's crazy. And it seems, to be honest, guys, it seems like a constant barrage of fantastic news surrounding Workhorse. And all I can say is, Workhorse, come on! Let's keep this going. Come on, Workhorse! Right, so with all that said, guys, I've got to head back to my contract now. And I am back from my contracts tonight. I did have a run of contracts in a row. That's why I wasn't able to upload this weekend. So I do have more videos planned, which include 2 brand new exponential growth stocks that I will be analyzing. And so you don't want to miss that video. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And with all that said, as we always say, make sure you do your own due diligence and your own analysis before you do decide to invest in any stock. As I've said before, and I'll say it again, I am not a financial advisor. Please view my content as purely educational. I'm clearly not a financial advisor. I'm recording in the back of my van right now. But if you do want to learn how to invest, there are some useful links in the description below, including some books and some videos that I've done as well in the past. Plus, my broker Trading 212 will send us both a free share if you sign up using the link in the description below. With all that said, guys, I am pumped. Please don't forget to smash that like button once again. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Take care, guys.